This is a song about a young man, a deeply hurt, painful, broken-hearted man. Loneliness is all his life has ever known. He smiles in front of people, but cries inside his silence. Every night he fights battles nobody sees. And one day, when he is gone from your life, you may finally realize how much pain he carried alone. But he won't know. Cry with him now instead. You will send flowers, but he won't see. Send them now instead. You'll say words of thanks, but he won't hear. Thank him now instead. You'll forget his faults, but he won't know. Forget them now instead. Till hearts become strangers. When he is gone from your life, your tears will flow, but he won't know. Cry with him now instead. You'll miss him then, but he won't feel. Miss him now instead. You'll wish you could have spent more time with him, but the days moved silently while everyone stayed too busy to care. One day you'll search his old messages, read his words again in silence, and wonder why you slowly drifted apart. But maybe you haven't even spoken in years. Please, look for him now. Not when his voice becomes memory, not when regret becomes heavier than love. Love people while they can still feel it. could have spent more time with him. Spending now instead. Spend time with every person around you. Your family, your friends, even those slowly disappearing in silence. Because one day, you may finally find the words when there is no more time left to say them.